Hi, everyone. Welcome to IELTS Listenora, your space to improve English listening and speaking skills. Here we bring you easy English conversations and stories to help you practice speaking, learn new words, and gain confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started and enjoy learning English together. Hi, Hassan. How are you today?
Hi, Rafi. I'm good. Alhamdulillah. How about you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing these days?
Nothing special. I go to work, come home, and spend time on my phone. Honestly, I feel like my days are becoming very repetitive.
I understand. Sometimes I feel the same. Do you feel productive at the end of the day?
Not really. Many days I feel tired, but I don't feel satisfied. I think I waste too much time.
Where do you waste most of your time?
Mostly on social media. I open my phone just for 5 minutes, but then 1 hour passes.
That happens to me too. It's very easy to waste time without realizing it.
Yes. Recently I started thinking about changing my habits.
That's great. What kind of changes do you want to make?
First, I want to reduce my screen time. Second, I want to improve my English speaking skills.
That's a very good goal. Why do you want to improve your English?
Because English is very important nowadays. It helps in getting better job opportunities and building confidence.
You're absolutely right. I also want to improve my English. Sometimes I understand English, but I cannot speak fluently.
Same here. I know some words, but when I try to speak, I forget everything.
That's normal for beginners. We just need practice.
How do you practice English?
Every day I try to speak for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes I speak alone in my room.
Really? What do you talk about?
I talk about my day. For example, I say, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. Then I brushed my teeth and had breakfast." Simple sentences like that.
That's a smart idea. It sounds easy.
Yes, it is simple, but it helps build confidence.
Do you watch English videos too?
Yes, I watch short English conversations and repeat the sentences.
I think listening is also very important.
Of course, listening improves pronunciation and vocabulary.
Sometimes I feel shy to speak English in front of others.
I understand. I used to feel shy too, but I realized something important.
What is it?
Nobody is perfect. If we wait to become perfect, we will never start. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's true. Even children make mistakes when they learn to speak.
Exactly. So why should we be afraid?
You're right. I will try to speak more confidently.
Good. Besides English, are you planning to change any other habits?
Yes, I want to wake up earlier.
What time do you wake up now?
Around 8:30 a.m.
And what time do you want to wake up?
Maybe 6:30 a.m.
That's a good start. Waking up early gives more time during the day.
But I sleep late at night. That's my problem.
Then try to sleep earlier. Avoid using your phone before bed.
That will be difficult.
Yes, but not impossible. Start slowly. Reduce 10-15 minutes each day.
That sounds manageable.
Also, try to make a simple daily plan.
Like a to-do list?
Yes, write 3 important tasks for the day.
That's a good idea. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed because I have too many things to do.
When we write things down, our mind feels clear.
Do you exercise regularly?
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
That's good. I don't exercise at all.
You should start with 10 minutes of walking.
I will try. I often feel tired and low in energy.
Exercise helps increase energy and reduce stress.
You're really motivating me today.
I'm just sharing my experience. I'm still learning too.
What are your future goals?
I want to improve my skills and get a better job. I also want to become more confident in speaking English.
That's wonderful. I want to grow professionally and personally.
Growth takes time. We need patience and consistency.
Yes, small steps every day.
Exactly. Even 1% improvement daily can change our life in 1 year.
That's inspiring.
Let's make a promise.
What promise?
We will practice English together every day for at least 15 minutes.
Deal. That will help both of us.
Yes, we can correct each other and learn new words.
I'm excited to start.
Me too. Remember, progress is slow but steady.
Thank you for this conversation. I feel more positive now.
You're welcome. We can improve together.
All right, I have to go now.
Okay, see you tomorrow for our English practice.
Sure. See you. Take care.
You too. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to IELTS Listenora for more English practice videos. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and see you in the next video.